This is part of a vast and growing financial ecosystem. It's called XP Investimentos, and is just one of XP's innovative products that Brazilians are using to gain access to and invest in Brazil's rapidly changing financial services segment. It's helping them improve their lives and build for the future.
Eu fui a primeira pessoa da minha família a começar a investir fora dos bancos tradicionais.
XP is helping their clients to invest in a more intelligent way.
Like our other products, it's easy to use, intuitive, informative, mobile, educational, smart, social. Sounds simple enough, right? Well, it wasn't simple. Getting here, to this point, was not easy.
But it's been an incredible adventure.
18 years ago, we had a big dream. And along the way, we have overcome many challenges to make the impossible possible.
We're democratizing the financial markets in Brazil,
giving our clients access to more financial products and services,
and educating them on how to invest and plan for the future.
We are pursuing big ideas
and ambitious goals.
With a constant focus on our clients.
We are learning to share our dream
with our partners.
We are true believers in our mission.
We are XP,
the #1 independent financial investment platform in Brazil.
With 1.5 million clients and 350 billion reais in assets under custody,
proprietary online portals and digital media,
and a network of over 5,900 independent financial advisors.
We are over 2,000 employees strong. Each of us is driven by incredible commitment to our customers.
That's why we have a Net Promoter Score of 71, the highest in Brazil, and more than double that of our nearest competitor.
With 4.7 billion reais in gross revenue and 772 million reais in adjusted net income over the last 12 months,
we are XP, and we are on a mission to transform the financial markets in Brazil and to improve the lives of people in our country. Our goal is to be the largest and the best financial services company in Brazil.
Through innovative technology that empowers investors across the client journey.
By educating consumers and providing information to the market.
By democratizing access to a wider range of financial services.
By developing new financial products.
And by providing a superior client experience with excellent customer service.
We believe our opportunity for growth is massive. So let's take a look at the big picture. Brazil is a very attractive market with the 5th largest population and the 6th largest economy in the world and a GDP of nearly $2 trillion. Brazil also has over 50 million investors who are learning more about the financial markets, demanding greater access to financial products, and are increasingly early adopters of new technologies in their everyday lives. Brazil also has a number of key market trends that are favorable to XP.
Brazilian regulators are promoting democracy and innovation in the financial markets.
And there is growing customer demand for financial education and greater access to financial products.
Along with increased demand for technology to manage financial services.
And the customer-friendly digital user experience.
The number of IFAs is on the rise, and they are looking for turnkey solutions to run their businesses.
And the addressable market is huge.
In 2018, the total addressable market of AUC was 7.9 trillion reais. That's an increase of 105% since 2011.
Plus, the markets we can expand to are large, currently 487 billion reais, and we are ready to add insurance and cards to our portfolio.
Huge market, huge opportunity, positive trends. So tell me, what's the problem?
Well, we believe the financial services industry in Brazil is inefficient, expensive, and provides a poor experience to its customers. Because the investment market is highly concentrated, with 5 large banks that control $1.5 trillion in assets and have dominated the market for a long time due to the lack of competition.
Consequently, these banks offer a narrow, more limited selection of financial products versus what is available to investors in a global market, such as the United States and Europe, and they charge higher fees.
take one.
XP was the key factor that opened the market to the single investors. The access that XP provided to us, to these type of investors, was really, really revolutionary.
So what do you do when you face established players with deep pockets and who are protected by entry barriers? You think big and use technology to disrupt the market to your advantage.
When I got laid off from my job at age 24, I made a promise to myself, never again. And so, I began a new adventure. With an initial investment of $2,500 and a lot of courage and determination, I founded XP. From that day on, failure was not an option. And because I believe that having a sense of ownership motivates people, my first hire was not an employee. Instead, I brought on a partner. Ever since, we have been a meritocracy that puts a premium on collaboration and partnership.
I met Guilherme in 2004. We used to work in a small office, and he used to say, I promise you we'll work for the biggest brokerage firm in Brazil. Now, here we are, but we still believe this journey is in the beginning.
XP's culture is driven by purpose. We are committed to doing the right thing for our clients. We strongly believe that by setting ambitious goals for ourselves, we will create high-quality products and services for our clients. Our collaborative and open-minded approach fosters continuous learning. We learn fast and we change our minds when necessary. We are entrepreneurs. A sense of ownership and commitment to our mission is what drives us all to engage in this lifetime project that is XP.
I think that when I was investing with traditional banks, they didn't have my best interest in their hearts. Investing with XP, it's easier, faster, and more reliable. And I'm much more comfortable now that I'm investing my money with XP.
Given our purpose, unique culture, and fast growth, we have developed a talent strategy that supports and accelerates our performance. We aim to recruit and develop the best people who share our vision and can stretch with us to make the impossible possible.
How do you make that bold vision a reality? You build a team, harness their entrepreneurial drive, and innovate.
Yes, innovation was very important as we built our business from the ground up and evolved our business model. We started by providing financial education, teaching Brazilians about the many investment options available to them, beyond the short-term and expensive instruments offered by traditional banks. Our students appreciated this financial education, and because they trusted us, many of our students quickly became our loyal clients. This vision to empower people with knowledge became a guiding principle of XP and a powerful tool for disrupting the status quo in the Brazilian banking sector. We created a broad open product platform, giving clients a much wider selection of financial products than traditional banks offer, with no extra fees. This product choice and low fee structure was disruptive in Brazil, and it continues to differentiate XP from traditional banks. We expanded our product offerings, users, distribution channels, education courses, and proprietary digital content. We created what we believe to be one of the biggest investment conferences in the world. We launched the largest online financial information portal in Latin America, and we introduced social media and digital influencer programs. And to show our commitment, we put our own faces in every one of our marketing campaigns. We use real people with real stories.
XP innovation teams continually create new financial products and applications, which help advisors improve account management, trading, and analytics. We constantly seek to provide new services to our clients, regardless of where they are in their financial journeys, and to evolve to meet every new challenge.
And this evolution led to something revolutionary.
We call it the XP model, and it's changing the way investment services are accessed and sold in Brazil. We believe the XP model also gives us significant operating efficiency that allows us to scale and grow profitably.
Let's take a closer look at the XP model and how it's revolutionizing investments in Brazil.
A self-reinforcing ecosystem of clients, distribution channels, and digital content that creates a network effect. A powerful lead generation engine that continually reinforces all elements of the system and promotes XP's products and services.
Over 1.5 million retail clients use XP's technology platform.
No começo eu só investia na poupança, e aí depois na Rico eu comecei a investir em fundos e ações e eu percebi que isso melhorou minha rentabilidade.
XP also serves more than 400 institutional and corporate issuer clients, including asset managers, private banks, corporate treasuries, and insurance companies.
EasyQuest has been working with XP for the last 8 years, and it's a true partnership. 5 years ago, we had less than 10,000 individual investors plugged to our funds. Today, we have over 150,000. So we have been able to grow our funds through XP, but have a much larger individual investor base, which brings incredible stability to the business.
XP has been very creative in analyzing and distributing new products to its retail investors. They have an education process that's very different to those offered by the other financial institutions. And I'm very proud to be a partner of XP.
We reach our clients and deliver our products and services via a robust range of proprietary brands and channels.
We call it the XP Omnichannel Distribution Network.
And it works like this. We reach clients directly via 3 digital portals. First, there is XP Investimentos, our fastest growing full-service offering for mass affluent to high net worth clients.
Doesn't matter who you talk to, everybody mentions XP as being the best place to invest.
Next is Rico, our web and mobile solution for self-directed investors.
Investir com a Rico é fácil porque eu consigo fazer toda a gestão. Eu me sinto pela primeira vez participando da economia brasileira.
And finally, Clear, our zero-fee electronic trading platform for active traders. We also onboard new clients indirectly through independent financial advisors. We work with more than 5,900 IFAs who build client relationships and promote the benefits of the XP platform.
XP brought a new platform of products with better options and then better returns.
Sem a XP, a minha empresa não teria existido. A mudança do mercado acontecendo do jeito que está acontecendo no Brasil e a existência de uma empresa que desafia o status quo, desafia o que é convencional, possibilitou que milhões e milhões de brasileiros entendessem o que seria investir de forma diferente.
To keep clients and IFAs engaged and to set us apart from our competitors, we are developing a lot of content.
Se você não mudar o seu jeito de investir.
Yeah, a whole lot of content. We foster and feed the ecosystem with proprietary content to engage and empower our clients and attract new ones. From basic how-to materials to financial media, educational courses, and in-depth research, we help Brazilians through their journey as investors, providing multiple touchpoints through social media, podcasts, and much more. It starts with XP Educação, the leading financial education portal in Brazil. It goes back to our origin. We believe that teaching people how to invest is key to our business model and mission, as we empower Brazilians and, by doing so, increase our addressable market. We also have InfoMoney, the largest financial news portal in Latam.
In Brazil, we were raised thinking about investment as saving money in a saving account. The saving accounts were the only option.
Quando eu investia na poupança, eu tinha um pouco de medo de investir em ações. Mas depois que eu fui estudando um pouco mais, pegando um pouco de conhecimento, eu ganhei confiança para investir em ações pela Rico.
We host Expert, which we believe is one of the largest investment events in the world, attended by nearly 30,000 people this year. Leader, our investment-focused social media network, launched this year. And we also reach clients through our Digital Influencers program, which promotes renowned financial experts online who foster more engagement with XP and, together, attract more than 5 million followers.
We also built a large and differentiated platform of financial products and services for our ecosystem.
We provide our clients with two core types of offerings: our large, open platform of financial products and our suite of financial advisory services. Our open product platform provides access to more than 600 investment products without the conflict of interest and closed-loop restriction of the traditional banks. Investment products available on the XP platform include products developed by XP and by our partners. They range from equity and fixed income securities, mutual funds, and life insurance, to more complex alternatives like hedge funds, structured products, real estate, and more. Complementing our open product platform, we offer high-quality advisory services to help our clients construct portfolios that are suitable for their needs.
It was interesting another day with my advisor. We have conversations about my career, my long-term plans, what do I expect in the future. So my advisor tried to adjust the options according to what's more comfortable to my profile.
A multitude of investment products, a wide range of advisory services for every type of investor. A service organization that always puts the client first, focusing on long-term client relationships and performance, not short-term results. What's the engine that drives all this?
Our powerful technology platform. We believe our technology is a big competitive advantage.
Most Brazilian banks use inefficient legacy systems, but XP developed a proprietary cloud-based technology platform called XP Genius, which uses a microservices architecture that enables the company to innovate quickly, compete more effectively, and operate more efficiently. XP Genius connects all of our digital portals, systems, and technologies. It powers applications across the organization, managing large and rapidly growing pools of proprietary data, enabling us to derive valuable insights from big data analytics. XP Genius helps us to innovate, providing a development platform to create new solutions and personalized client experiences. And it helps us to automate, using AI and analytics to make us faster and more efficient. So, what's behind the magic that's driving our technology and development?
That would be XP's innovation squads.
We have over 50 squads, which are over 50 different entrepreneurial-minded autonomous startups.
With a total of more than 500 employees who are constantly thinking about how to innovate and improve our products and solutions by using agile methodology and leveraging our technology and data assets. In the technology space, being customer-centric translates to providing a user-friendly experience plus meeting customers on their terms, no matter where they are, which means innovating in mobile.
We believe the apps and interfaces we are developing are the leading edge of UX design. Intuitive, user-friendly, even for the non-techie.
I use the app often. I look every day. It's really easy. The interface, it's really easy.
Innovation, disruption, a self-reinforcing lead-generating ecosystem. Cloud-based and mobile technology that is delivering significant efficiencies. Combine them all and what do you get? Growth, targeting profitable growth that is sustainable and recurring. Due to our large base of clients, our growth is primarily driven by existing clients who continue to invest with XP, increasing our total assets under custody and driving profits. And our strong brand recognition and expanding omni-channel network also help attract new clients and investments.
When we analyze the behavior of our clients over time, we find that our client cohorts follow the same pattern. Our clients continue to add new money into their accounts, a clear sign they are happy with their XP experience. Also, each new client cohort we onboarded on the years of 2016 through 19 invested more money than those in the previous year. In January 2019, we onboarded approximately 7 times more AUC than 3 years earlier. That's why we believe our best cohorts are yet to come. This is the power of a valuable and well-recognized brand that earns more and more trust as time goes by.
Our business has reached a large scale and has operational leverage, which help generate recurring revenue.
XP is an asset-light, tech-enabled platform with exponential growth and a very attractive LTV to CAC.
We believe as we grow our business, our model produces self-reinforcing network effects that help compound our client economics and growth.
With scale, we can offer even more choice and better products and services for our clients,
increasing consumers' trust in our brand.
Competitors have tried to imitate our model, and they will continue to try. But we believe that the XP brand, our technology, our people, our culture, the scale of our business, and the resulting operating efficiencies of our model will continue to make us unique.
Let's take it from the top, please. And action.
We believe our business model provides us with several attractive financial attributes. We have consistently high growth along with strong profitability. And the operating efficiencies of our business model enable us to generate strong cash flow under various market conditions, which allows us to continue to invest in the growth of our existing businesses. And the pace of that growth has been accelerating. From 2017 to 2018, AUC grew 60%, from 126 billion reais to 202 billion. And in the first 9 months of 19, our AUC reached 350 billion reais, up from 181 billion reais in the first 9 months of 18. That's a 94% increase. We see a similar pattern in the number of active clients. From 2017 to 2018, the number of active clients increased 66%, from 539,000 to 892,000. Recently, the number of active clients has grown even more rapidly, driven by strong performance of XP Direct, Rico, and Clear channels. At the end of the first 9 months of 2019, active clients reached 1.5 million, up 101% over the first 9 months of 2018. This growth in AUC and active clients has led to consistently strong revenue and net margin growth. We have 5 revenue lines: retail, institutional, issuer services, digital content, and other. Retail, our core business, contributed 68% of total revenue in the first 9 months of 2019. Revenue from institutional clients accounted for 13%, issuer services for 8%, and digital content for 2%. In 2018, our retail gross revenues were 2.4 billion reais, up 58% from 1.5 billion reais in 2017. In the first 9 months of 2019, these revenues were 2.5 billion reais, up 49% over the 9 months ended September 2018. Institutional gross revenue totaled 484 million reais in 2018, a 40% increase from 345 million reais in 2017. And in the first 9 months of 2019, these revenues were 497 million reais, up 45% over the 9 months ended September 2018. Issuer services gross revenues primarily include capital market secured placement fees earned from corporate clients that hire XP for structuring, underwriting, or the placement of securities. In 2018, issuer services gross revenue were 178 million reais, an increase of 68% from 106 million in 2017. And in the first 9 months of 2019, these revenues were 286 million reais, up 176% over the first 9 months of 2018. Digital content primarily includes revenues from XP educational courses, digital content, and advertising fees. Digital content gross revenues were 54 million reais in 2018, up 86% increase from 29 million in 2017. And in the first 9 months of 2019, these revenues were 83 million reais, up 158% over the first 9 months of 2018. The remaining 9% of total revenues is recorded in other gross revenues. In 2018, these 5 revenue lines together generated total gross revenue of 3.2 billion reais, increasing 56% over 2017. In the first 9 months of 2019, total gross revenue was 3.7 billion reais, up 64% from 2.3 billion reais generated in the first 9 months of 2018. As our numbers show, in 2019, we have been accelerating the pace of our growth even further, and all this growth has come with profitable margins due to the strong operating leverage in the XP model. This leverage allows XP to manage our costs and reinvest in the business for future growth. Our adjusted EBITDA was 662 million reais in 2018, an increase of 17% over 2017. And it was over 1 billion reais in the first 9 months of 2019, an increase of 107% over the first 9 months of 2018. Our adjusted net income in 2018 was 491 million reais, an increase of 15% from 428 million in 2017. And the pace of margin expansion has been accelerating. In the first 9 months of 2019, adjusted net income has grown 75% to 657 million reais compared with 376 million in the same period of 2018. Our adjusted net margin has expanded from 18% in the first 9 months of 2018 to 19% in the first 9 months of 2019.
XP has many opportunities for expansion. We will continue to seek a greater share of our clients' assets and trading volume, while offering them additional products and services. We believe that our strong value proposition and client-centric approach will continue to cement client loyalty and allow us to grow our share of wallet from our current customers.
We will continue to grow our base of active retail clients, which reached 1.5 million by the end of September. And as our retail client base grows, we attract more institutional trading partners and corporate issuers, who in turn provide more liquidity and products to our platform. We intend to drive more users to all XP online portals and to expand our network of IFA partners. We believe this will promote the XP brand and attract new clients, strengthening our competitive advantage. We will create more content, more research, more reports to encourage clients and prospects to come back to XP again and again, not only when executing transactions on the platform. We want to be the go-to source for trusted financial advice and products. We also believe there is a big opportunity to create and penetrate new media channels, to cultivate existing relationships and attract new clients and partners. Like the financial market, our platform is always evolving with new investment products from both XP and our partners. In the same way, our XP advisory services will continue to grow and evolve. For example, through XP Investment, we will continue to expand our services outside Brazil as we have by opening offices in New York, Miami, London, and Geneva to provide solutions for Brazilian clients looking to invest outside Brazil.
And XP believes there's an attractive opportunity to disintermediate other financial sectors beyond investments.
Because of our culture, cross-selling capability, and agile innovation and execution, we have been able to scale up other businesses in our platform really fast. For example, we began offering pension insurance in March of this year, and by June, we already had a 7% market share of new money inflows. In September 2019, we received our digital bank license from the Central Bank of Brazil, enabling us to provide a broader suite of financial services. As new opportunities develop, we could selectively expand into new geographies that have highly concentrated financial sectors, where we can leverage our financial education expertise to create new classes of investors and disintermediate traditional banks. That said, our near-term focus remains concentrated on Brazil, where there continue to be significant opportunities for growth. As a result of our strong performance, recent investments, and attractive market position, our medium-term expectations over the next few years include annual gross revenue growth of 35% plus, with adjusted net income margins in the 18 to 22% range as we continue to reinvest in the business. We expect our margins to come in at the lower end of this range as we continue to develop new capabilities and drive expansion, and then trend towards the upper end of this range over time as we benefit from the scale efficiencies and operating leverage of our investments.
So, what are the key takeaways on XP?
We have a client-centric, purpose-driven culture that is transforming the financial markets in Brazil and improving people's lives.
Our powerful, self-reinforcing ecosystem provides our clients with a wide range of investment products, along with advisory services of the highest quality.
We have a big competitive advantage in the form of XP Genius, proprietary technology assets, powered by our XP innovation teams.
We are profitable and at scale. Our growth has been exponential, and we are expanding into new financial services and products.
We are outmaneuvering, we are outthinking, and we are outservicing the traditional banking institutions in Brazil. And Brazilian investors are taking note. We are proud of what we've achieved in the past 18 years, and we are excited about all the possibilities ahead. Possibilities to change the closed banking system in Brazil, to bring clients even more financial choice and transparency, to help more individuals reach their financial goals, to continue to grow our company quickly and profitably, and to generate long-term value for a new set of world-class investors. We hope you will join us as investor partners as we continue to make the impossible possible in Brazil and beyond. Thank you. Obrigado.